This is the video lesson for 2.11, the outline, and it says how to write an essay. It's time to organize. To make your essay strong and coherent, you need to organize it in a logical manner for your readers. Just as it is difficult to find items in an unorganized space, ideas get lost in an unorganized essay. So the objectives for this are to synthesize information, which you will remember means to pick the most important stuff, and you're going to write an outline. And sometimes students skip the outline process thinking that it is not important. It's very important, so don't skip this. We're going to take a look at this together. So page 2 says outline. Outlines allow us to understand what we are going to write ahead of time. This is important, otherwise we will simply write our thoughts without any clear direction, and the end result will be confusing for the reader. So to outline, you're going to use the following steps. You're going to look at the prompt, which we have looked at many times, and your thesis statement and your notes closely. Decide which evidence from your notes will support your thesis. Now remember, you've already written a thesis, so it's going to be easy to create an outline when you already have your thesis. And then you're going to create the outline that puts the evidence in a logical order and in how it relates to your thesis. So you're going to push the play button here, and it's going to create this video.
Outline. Every outlined item is a complete sentence. By writing in complete sentences.
It's just 2.5 minutes long, so you're going to watch this video. Take the time to do that. It's not super long, but it will help you a lot. And then when you're all done, you'll go to, in fact, it has, you can see right here, it has an outline, what it should look like. And the outline here of your introduction paragraph, you've already done this. So for your outline, I don't need this on there. You can just put one introduction, A, B, and C, and write your thesis, because I think it's important to have that in writing for you as you continue on. But you don't need to do the whole introduction again. And I'll show you that. We'll take a look at the paper. Here it says completing the outline. Now that you understand the basics of outlining, it's time to create your own. And you're going to use this outline graphic organizer here. You're going to copy and paste it into a Word document. This is kind of nice because it gives you exactly what is expected of you on each of these things. As always, you're going to start by double spacing your paper. And again, this is a Google Doc. You'll go to line spacing and choose double. Then you'll put your name, English 2A, 2.11 outline, and the date. And then you're going to paste this outline here in. And like I already said, you do not need to do everything. Ooh, it went crazy with the numbers on mine. If yours does that, you can just take some of those numbers out. I don't know why it went so wild. But for this one on the introduction paragraph, because you have already submitted an introduction, the only thing I need you to complete on this is the actual thesis statement. And then you can go on to the next paragraphs. I don't need your hook and your bridge on here, just your thesis. So you're going to then create the topic sentence and a brief explanation of what you're going to put in these. You're not going to actually write your whole essay on here. I would like to see a complete topic sentence in each of the paragraphs, and then just quickly some reasons. Just you can just list them. You don't have to actually like create full complete sentences for that. So you're going to have one paragraph of supporting evidence, another paragraph of supporting evidence, a third paragraph of supporting evidence, and your conclusion. And it's important to remember that you are writing about your human rights issue and how it relates to the United States and one other country. So you're going to have to decide for yourself how you organize that into your essay. And if you need help with that, just let me know. I'd be happy to take a look at it with you and kind of decide what you want to do. You have 3 articles, so maybe each paragraph can deal with one of those articles. And so that is what you're going to do. You're going to complete the outline in your document and submit it to the Dropbox. And that's it for the outline. And of course, as always, if you need help, let me know. Come and see me and we will do this together.